Hey guys, in this video we are going to make Mexican rice. We're going to start off with the pan with a little bit of olive oil. Now we are going to add 1 cup of rice. Now we're just going to mix the rice around with the olive oil. And what we're planning to do is we're trying to brown the rice until it becomes light brown. And you'll be able to smell the rice browning as you do this process. The rice is going to sound kind of flaky as you do this, and you can slightly see in the video how it's very light brown, and that's what we want. So I'm just going to keep stirring it until it gets a little bit more brown. Now we're going to add half a can of 8-ounce tomato sauce. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill the top of the tomato sauce with a little bit of water to dilute it a little bit. And after we pour the water, as you can see in the video, we're just going to pour it into the pan. Now we're going to add in an extra cup of water. In this recipe, we're going to be adding 2 cups. I'm just going to start with the first cup. And here's my second cup. Now we're going to add in a little bit of salt. I don't measure the salt, I just put however much to my liking. Now we're going to add in a scoop of chicken bouillon flavored by Knorr. Now we're going to add in some onion powder. I don't measure, once again, I'm just putting in however much I would like. Now we are adding some ground cumin. I like to put a lot of ground cumin into my rice. You can put however much you like. Now the final step is closing the lid, and what we're going to do is we're going to go for medium heat, and we are going to simmer the rice for 25 minutes. So as you can see, the rice is boiling, so this is the part where we're going to go from medium heat all the way up to simmer, and I'm going to set my timer to 25 minutes, and we're just going to let the rice cook. Do not open the lid during this process. So the rice can cook evenly and so it can come out really fluffy. So now it's time to check our rice. We are going to open the lid, and as you can see, the rice is really fluffy and it is cooked thoroughly. So I'm going to grab my spoon and I'm going to show you how it ended up cooking, and your rice should look a little like this. I'm just going to grab a scoop of rice just to show you that there's no water in the bottom of the pan, and it's very fluffy and flaky, and that's what you want. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this rice video. Give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.